Welcome to our SST Roleplay Group 2. In this video, you will be able to learn Russian Revolution. The Russian Revolution.
We Russian Revolution. This is the year 1914, World War I, and Russia was fighting with Germany.
The working class and the peasants.
Make up the Russian army to make up for the battles to came.
This is the year 1917. Millions of Russians are wounded. Russian peoples were angry.
At Tsar Nicholas II for the Russians in war, several other reasons included.
The Tsar was giving the personal command of the army.
Rest the power of the royal family.
Food shortage and growing taxes.
The first revolution came about February 1997 in Petrograd, which was the capital of Russia.
Demonstrators protested for the lack of food and bread with striking the works.
They started killing all the workers who were striking.
Several protesters were shot dead and killed by the people, and many refused to shoot.
The army is trying to stop the protest.
The Petrograd Soviet was the city council for workers.
Now, more and more workers and soldiers get involved to represent their domain.
The Tsar came to stop the war and lose his leadership.
This government was run by two political parties.
The Petrograd Soviet and Provisional Government. Now the Bolshevik Revolution.
The provincial government was also not much powerful to remain in the war.
And they have to give their land to the peasants.
The Vladimir Lenin and the Bolsheviks were fractions of the Social and Democratic Party.
And they became the Communist Party of the Soviet Union. They had a simple slogan: peace, bread, and land.
Peace means the end of Russian fight and revolution and World War I.
Bread means shorting food shortages.
And land which would go to the peasants.
They also give all the powers to the Soviets.
On November 6th and 7th, 1974, the war is ended and the Bolsheviks led by the Lenin and get the provincial government.
In the Civil War 1918 by those who are opposed to the Bolshevik government.
After the revolution, Bolshevik government come to end with signing a treaty of peace.
The White Army and the Bolshevik themselves named as Red Army. The participants are Krishna, Khush, Adi, Avni, Himani, Latika, Sagar, Shashwat, Shivam, and Taran are our group members. Thank you for watching this video.